Hi, culinary adventurer. Welcome back to the Healthy Asian Cuisine channel. Today we are diving into the world of Japanese cuisine with a refreshing and delightful dish, cold bean curd with sesame sauce. This dish combines the delicate texture of tofu with the rich flavor of a savory sesame sauce, creating a perfect harmony of taste and texture. If you are the fan of Japanese flavors, you are in for a treat. So grab your apron, stay tuned, and let's dive into the flavors of Japan together.
Toast 1/3 or half cup of white sesame seeds with a pan until fragrance, then set aside to cool. Note: if you do not have time to toast the sesame seeds yourself, simply use store-bought toasted seeds. Next, mill the toasted sesame seeds finely with a pestle and mortar, then set aside. Note: you can also use a blender to mill the toasted sesame seeds. Blend about 1/3 or half cup of seeds. Use as needed and store the balance in a tightly sealed jar for future use. To make the sesame sauce, in a bowl combine milled sesame seeds with 1 tablespoon of Japanese soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetarian oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar or brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of cold drinking water. With a fork, mix these ingredients thoroughly until the sauce is well blended. Chill the sauce in the refrigerator before serving. To prepare the liver shreds, cut a slice of store-bought Nori Sushi Sheet into quarters, then take a quarter and shred it into fine stripes with a pair of scissors as shown here. To serve the dish, begin by gently patting dry the soft tofu with a kitchen towel, then place it on a serving plate carefully to avoid breaking. Cut the soft tofu into bite-sized cubes, then generously drizzle the sesame sauce all over the tofu. Ensure an even coating to infuse every bite with that delicious Japanese flavor. Lastly, sprinkle the dish with shredded Nori Sushi stripes for a touch of umami goodness. Note: feel free to get creative with additional garnishes like chopped green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for that extra visual and flavorful appeal.
And there you have it, our super tasty cold bean curd with sesame sauce. I hope you enjoy creating this dish as much as I did. If you try it out, please let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!